when you need to find anything on search engine, do you ever go to Google's 5th page? Well, I'm sure you won't. Most people don't do that too, which is why search engine optimization, SEO, is so important. Hello, I'm Dr. Kunjal Sinha, working as Director of Continuing Education Programs at Parul University. With about 19 years of experience in industry and academia, and interest and expertise in marketing research, digital marketing, marketing communications, and consumer behavior, I hereby propose this course on search engine optimization. SEO refers to the process of optimizing a website for search engines. It is a set of guidelines for optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in organic results. It's the process of increasing your website's visibility in search engines and also attracting the traffic. SEO has two major objectives. The first is to aid you in discovering what consumers are looking for on the internet so that you can deliver high quality material to fulfill their wants. The second purpose is to aid you in creating a website that search engines can locate, index, and understand. The world of search engine optimization is complex and ever-changing. The foundations are easy to grasp, and even a basic understanding of SEO may have a big impact. While search engines and technology are always evolving, many SEO fundamentals have been constant since the beginning. SEO is a fast-paced industry that is constantly developing. It might be unsettling at times, particularly if you are relying on outdated tactics that aren't functioning much. This course will cover the most critical aspects of SEO, from identifying the terms and phrases that can generate qualified traffic to your website to implementing the best of the SEO practices. During the timeline of this course, these topics will be discussed. Overview of SEO and some of the terms that are used in the industry, search engine and how it works. We will learn what a search engine results page is and why it's important to have an online presence and how to get the top of the SERP rankings. After obtaining an introduction to the SEO, we will go into Google's SEO tools, which include the algorithm and quality raters. We will continue with the most important aspect of SEO, and that is keywords. The evolution, types, and research methods of keywords will be discussed in the modules. Finally, we will also learn about on-page SEO and its optimization ranking factors, and then we will also understand the technical SEO, its elements, and ranking factors. This course will teach you all you need to know about website optimization, from doing an initial audit to presenting your results and recommendations, incorporating keyword research into a content plan, and optimizing a site for local search. You will also learn how to set goals and meet the expectations of clients and stakeholders, as well as how to build effective analytics, reports, and communicate SEO improvements. If you are a student wanting to learn digital marketing, an entrepreneur wanting to have your brand's online visibility without spending much, a freelancer with the aim of getting freelancing assignments in the domain of digital marketing, or an academician, enrolling in this course will benefit you. See you in the sessions.